mine. Sprinkles, Candy Cane, and Good Fireball were walking towards their house after a trip in the mountains and forest. They found a giant hole in the ground and unfortunately fell in it. Once they fell to the bottom of the hole, a piece of candy fell and hit Candy Cane in the head. The three friends looked all around them and saw piles and piles of candy. They decided to eat the candy since it was just sitting there. They were chowing down on the sweets when all of a sudden the bad Fireball showed up. Candy Cane, Sprinkles, and Good Fireball were scared and tried to escape in their invisible getaway car. Unfortunately, Bad Fireball was expecting this and followed the three friends out. He threw some of his fireballs and tried to stop them, but to no avail. The chase continues on. Candy Cane, Sprinkles, and Good Fireball escaped and make it home safely. The end.